Sometimes all you need in his life is a new play to a game, and this is what we'll discuss within this video. This is a sponsored video of fully discussing everything, but there's very cool things that you can get if you use the link in the description down below. Full transparency, I got you a deal that you can get basically $5 worth of one Barracks, 3 Warriors. That's around $5 with the current price of CLEG, so please don't financial advice, so you can try out the game. The idea here is to calculate how we can get good ROI by analyzing this play-to-earn game and hopefully making some good decisions. I've been checking it out for the last few days. I've been analyzing the blockchain around it, and mainly I'm playing around with the marketplace, and I'll show you and I'll tell you why I'm actually interested in it. The main reason is they actually have a huge amount of volume. If I go here, total marketplace trade volume, 948 million CLEG, around a billion CLEG. So the marketplace actually has a very good volume, and right now you can get a lot of rewards. 20k CLEG for community owners, which is around $100, and a bunch of other things that I'll be showing you. So how does the game work? What does the game do? How can you benefit from it? Well, there's different ways to play the game, right? It has different cycles, and I encourage you to actually go ahead and read the white paper. What I personally will be doing is playing around with the marketplace. So players can trade resources, heroes, lands, buildings, and items in the marketplace. Players are able to render NFT items in the marketplace. There are many filters and sorting options to help you find what you're looking for. You can place buy and sell orders. Actually managed to snipe something, and after the fees I'll be making like 50-60%, 70% return on it. By clicking on each item in the marketplace, you will see its order book, and pretty much you get a 2x right now, because the marketplace is very, I would say it's active enough. But look, you buy this for 1.8 CLEG and sell for 2.6. After fees you get 2.4, which is like for like 20% return if you buy this big jack, right? And you have similar things for other ones. I actually bought and sold this one, and I'm thinking about buying some other big jacks, maybe this big jack right here. You can see there's multiple people trying to buy and sell it, but you can quickly scalp these. I've got around I'm already up like 10% on my investment. I'm just playing around with it. And something that you need to know is the game has everything you need to learn what it looks like. So when you click on the learn section, you have the game overview videos, how everything plans out together, how you can buy the token, how you can create a wallet. They have everything referred and explained. There's a ranking, and you can see some people have invested quite a bit of money here. There's society builders, Warriors. If you go to the adventure mode, so what you need is to go to the home page after you build your barracks up. And right now, my Warriors are for sale, because what I'm thinking of doing right now is actually flipping it, buying and selling it right now. So you can have different Warriors, and with these Warriors and their strengths and weaknesses, you can go ahead and click on the adventure mode and go to dungeons or treasure islands. So how does this work? Dungeons like these ones right here, 1, 2, 4, this is the difficulty level. The highest difficulty level is 128. Basically, it's 128 times harder than difficulty 1, which would be very hard to compete. With the adventure pack that you'll be getting for free, but by just using my link in the description down below, you can complete dungeon level 1, so you can already earn some rewards. It's pretty passive in terms of income, because you get the dungeon info right here. And goblins are the most traded between heroes and common land between all types of lands. So yeah, that's very interesting. So you're getting goblins right from here, and goblin seems to be the most traded. And this is something that I've noticed when you go on the rankings page and check any of these people. You can see that basically in each team you want to have a tank. And this guy has the tank, the guardian, which has a tank buff. You have the mage, which is a healer. You have different items. It's an MMO and it's a strategy at the same time. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun, and you're playing the game, but you're also earning money. So many people are playing Rise of Kingdoms and other strategies just like this by making zero money, nothing out of it. I've made most of my money playing play to earn games, and you probably know that if you've been on the channel since 2021. Obviously, trading as well. I've got some custom indicators that I've created on my own. But play to earn games are fun, they're exciting, and yes, in a bear market they can suck a little bit, but in a bull market they are flying, especially if you understand how to play them better than anyone else. So what I encourage you to do is go ahead, read the white paper, and try to develop a unique strategy. What you can do is buy some CLEG mines. Right now I can collect because I already collected it, but you can basically buy lands, buy stone, buy all of this right here. There's special events when certain things are discounted. Right now you have the Crow Challenge. There's also a new event that will be happening right here. Let me show you. Let me read it to you actually. So we have the following. We have so join us for that exciting journey on of the community collaboration and boundless rewards. The Guild Alliance contest is your chance to engage your community in an exhilarating adventure with our immersive gaming universe. Contest rewards top community owners. Price varies from 2 to 20k rewards, as you can see right here. Guild owners rankings, and yeah, there will be a lot of bonuses right here. There will be a lot of contests, and all of this is something that we've discussed, and I'll probably try to play this game a little bit more. If at least 10 people ask me to make an update on it, I will in the next few days. I am interested in the game. I'm personally going to be playing the game. For starters, for my playstyle, what I'll be doing is playing around with the marketplace. I'll see how it goes. I'll be buying and selling a few things on it. Actually got an alert, so let me just buy XMR real quick. It doesn't let me. And yeah, I'm actually interested in this is the most interesting project and most interesting play to earn game I have seen in reality, because it has a very active community, something that we have not seen in for a while for most projects. So let me know your thoughts on the project in general. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Why not? And yeah, see you next one. Love you with all my heart. Bye.